today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off startup programs on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select startup. And then if you want to turn any of these on or off, you can. If you want to specifically disable a startup program, just toggle it to the left until it says off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.